tell us how much do you make roughly
In a day?
yes in a day when you're busy, there's business and stuff?
Okay, when there's business, you can make as much as 10K. Approximately, I can say 1.5 years after I finished campus from Kenyatta University. You know, I started applying for jobs, but not more white collar jobs.
Yes, good people, we are back on the streets of Nairobi. Today we are at Kenyatta Avenue and it's so amazing and the streets are busy. Everyone is like hustling to make money. So I thought like, let me ask a few guys and find out how much they make from photography. And here guys, also I'll be tagging their links in the description. You can also contact them for business, stuff like that. Road to 5,000 subscribers. So today I found my big brothers here. So they're gonna tell us. Yes bro, how is it?
I'm
You're
fine.
good, eh? Yeah. So I'm just doing YouTube to find out how the business is going on. You see, every Sunday Kenyatta Avenue is busy, the streets.
Yeah.
So bro, tell me like your name, your social media handles. People can contact you.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm Alpha Boy. Alpha Boy. I am on social media, so on YouTube I'm Alpha Boy. I'm on Instagram, Alpha Boy. Yeah, Facebook, Alpha Boy. Alpha Boy.
So tell us, you do photography, right?
Yeah, photography.
So how long have you done this, like in Nairobi?
This is my third week.
Third week?
Yeah.
Also, you are new in the game, like
Yeah, I'm new in the game here in CBD.
in CBD. Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
I usually do events.
Yes.
Yeah, but here in CBD, I'm very new.
Wow. So tell us, how has the change in Sakaja's rules, how has it affected your business?
It has affected my business positively.
Sure.
Yeah, we're making a lot of money here.
So how much do you charge per photo, stuff like that?
Per photo is 100 bob here in CBD.
Okay.
Yeah, and you can take as more as you want.
Wow.
Yeah.
So ladies and gentlemen watching, each photo is 100, but let me show you, this is this equipment. You see, it's Godox, and this is the camera. So that's a soft box, I think. Yeah, also I'm a filmmaker, so I do documentaries, stuff like that. So bro, tell us, how much do you make roughly
In a day?
yes in a day when you're busy, there's business and stuff like
Okay, when there's business, you can make as much as 10K.
that? What?
Yeah, per
10K
day, in a day.
guys, that's $100. Let me remind you, that's $100 and that's 350,000 in Uganda. That's awesome. I need to like invest into photography.
Like today, the business is not very good.
I know.
Yeah.
What do you think is causing that?
Today, I think the schoolers are not around.
Sure.
Yeah, the schoolers are not around.
What I feel like there are too many people, also too many photographers. Don't you think that one is affecting
that
also?
one, they cannot affect.
Sure.
Yeah.
Wow.
We have separate clients.
So you mean you have people who just call you directly?
Yeah, who call me direct.
Wow. So like how many people call you roughly
In a
per
day,
day? Yes.
in a day, like today, they have called me around 6 people.
6.
Yeah.
Oh, not bad, not bad.
And we take around maximum of 5 photos. That's 500 shillings.
Not bad, man.
Not bad.
So if they are the gears yours or for someone?
These are my gears. I've invested in them.
Wow. But guys, if you're watching and you want to do business, you heard his name and he's going to repeat, and then maybe I'll tag his contacts in the description of this video. So stay tuned for the next person. Let's get to know how much they make per day in Nairobi. So guys, people make $100 per day here at CBD. Bro, I thought photographers are joking. But one big trick I think is that they have clients who call them. So as you heard from our first guy, we asked there. Yeah, they told us. So that's how they make money here, and they're busy shooting like photos and videos. The other guy also covers events. Yeah, so basically CBD, if you're wise, you can survive. So visit here, find out for yourself. You can see people busy, others are dancing. Yes, people are dancing, people are busy. So you've seen people are busy, you know. So I'm also impressed, like of recent the rules have been tough, but things changed. So now you can come here and do whatever you want. Let's cross the road and see how it goes. There are many others the other side. We are asking our youth, because when you come to Nairobi, you find the streets on Sundays are busy. So we have our big brother here. He's going to tell us his name and how the business is going. Maybe if he doesn't mind how much he makes a day, depending. So bro, welcome. This is Afrosam-TV, and we are on the road to 5,000 subscribers. I do travels and I ask people the cost of living, basically finances and everything. Like, so you are a cameraman. You use your camera every weekend.
Yes, I
basically on the streets. Yes. So tell us your name and the social media handles. Also, people can come for business anytime.
Yes. Okay. Hello guys. Welcome to his YouTube channel. My name is Felix Brian. Is it working? My name is Felix Brian Ondieki. I'm a photographer in Nairobi. Mostly I'm based on Thika Road, Kawendani. I do studio shoots, I do outdoor shoots, street shoots, normally on Sundays. You know, it's a good business. I cannot complain. Yes.
And actually, guys, I've seen him so busy. I was on the other side, but he keeps crossing the street, capturing people. Like, you know, you have to hustle, man. Like, he is better than someone who is begging on the streets. Also better than a criminal grabbing people's property, you know. So hard work pays. One day, one time, you'll get whatever you want. So bro, tell us, how long have you been in this business?
Approximately, I can say 1.5 years. After I finished campus from Kenyatta University. You know, I started applying for jobs, but not more white collar jobs. So I decided to venture into what I love doing most. I like taking selfies. When I was in high school, when I was in campus, my friends would usually ask me to take their pictures. So I decided, why can't I just do it for a living?
Okay bro, out of curiosity, if you don't mind, how much can you make in a good day, roughly?
I can say 5,000 is good. 5,000.
Wow, man. So guys, 5,000, because the other guy told me 10,000. So you see now it is varying. Depends, I don't know, on your clients, depends on the day, depends on the number of people who need it. So do you have clients who call you direct and maybe?
Like right about now, when you just phoned me, I was finishing up with a client over there.
Yes.
So he had called me beforehand. So I was busy handling others. So, and we had agreed about around 5 we're going to meet.
Perfect.
So that's a perfect example of a client calling me. You see, that's how I operate.
Yes. That's amazing. So can you try to read your number for the people here? Do this. Guys, I'm going to tag his number here. If in Nairobi you want photo shoot, every Sunday you can always touch on him and he'll give you the best. Let me show you his gears. This is what he uses. How do you call this?
This is called a S bracket. This is called a stand. This is called a speed light.
Yes.
This is for lighting, good pictures.
Perfect.
You use this.
And then your camera, what brand and model?
This is a Nikon D7500. The best crop sensor camera. It can deliver anytime, any day. Low light, any sunny day, I can come there and I can capture the best moments.
Do you also cover events?
I cover events.
Wow.
Yeah, I cover weddings. We have a team. I'm not alone. I'm not a single unit. I have a couple of other photographers who are doing other ventures. Right there, others are in. They are shows. They are something they call shows. Those are events for weddings.
Wow.
You know.
So that's amazing. It's like introduction. And then after introduction, normal there's the real wedding, actual wedding.
Yes, like
so,
a friend of mine was doing it.
Wow, perfect. So guys, I can't reveal their bills for events, but if you need more about it, just tap in the link, I mean the contacts, go and talk to him and the team, so that they can get those moments captured for you, you know. So we're live from Nairobi, Kenya, East Africa to the world. Leave a comment.